Yes, cutting process parameter selection for turning application. The various cutting process parameter used in turning applications are cutting speed indicated by V, feed Fm, depth of cut T. Cutting speed. The cutting speed of tool is the speed at which the metal removed by the tool from workpiece. The cutting speed of tool is the speed at which the metal removed by the tool from the workpiece in a lathe. The peripheral speed of workpiece is given as V equal to pi dn upon 1000, where d is the diameter of the workpiece in millimeter and n is the spindle speed in rpm, revolution per minute. By using this formula, you can calculate the value of cutting speed. Then feed. Feed means cutting tool in a lathe is the distance the cutting tool advances for each revolution of the spindle and workpiece. It is given in terms of millimeter per revolution or in millimeter per minute. And formula feed N into F revolution. If you want to take feed in millimeter per minute, so there is a formula N into F revolution. N means RPM of spindle speed or RPM of workpiece, and F revolution feed in millimeter per revolution, and FM means feed in millimeter per minute. Now we will see depth of cut. Depth of cut. Depth of cut is the perpendicular distance measured from machine surface to the uncut surface of workpiece. Formula D minus D upon 2. D1 means diameter of the workpiece before machining in millimeter, and D2 is the diameter of the work surface after machining in millimeter. After this, we will see different types of codes used in CNC machine, preparatory functions and miscellaneous functions. So first, G codes or preparatory function used in turning center. G code is given as rapid tool movement G00, linear interpolation G01, clockwise circular interpolation G02, counterclockwise circular interpolation G03. So what is this rapid tool movement and linear interpolation and circular interpolation that we will see? G00 is the positioning and used for rapid movement of tool to the specified position. Tool moment, suppose tool moment is like this, and rapid movement, faster movement is there. So using G00, the cutting tool can be positioned nearer to the cutting surface in shortest possible time. Means a rapid motion of the tool is to be given by the code G00. While writing the program, you can write like this: N100 G00 X25 Y35. So N100 means a sequence number, G0 means a rapid movement of cutting tool, and X25 Y35 means specified position where the cutting tool reached at 25-35, means X-axis moment 25 and Y-axis moment 35. Then linear interpolation. Linear interpolation G00. For the motion of cutting tool along a straight line from a current position to a given final position at a given feed rate. If it is given in block N110, that is sequence number N01, G01, linear interpolation X40, Y45 means X-axis moment 40 and Y-axis moment 45, final position of cutting tool, and feed rate F120, given feed rate is 120 mm per minute. Then circular interpolation clockwise. So circular clockwise interpolation indicated by G02. G02 is a function for circular interpolation in clockwise direction. It is the function which directs the tool along the circular path in clockwise direction at a given rate. It is important to note that the cutter must be at the start of an arc, means from position 1 to position 2. So starting point of the tool is here, and circular interpolation means G02 if it is given. So tool movement will be in clockwise direction in the form of arc, means final position of the tool is B. Okay. So there are two methods of circular interpolation. One is arc vector method and another is arc radius method. So here arc radius method. So radius is given and arc method is like this. Arc vector method. So N120, that is sequence number, G02, that is circular interpolation clockwise, and X70, Y25 means end point of arc 70 and 25, and this J45, J25 means center of arc, means C point 45, 25, and feed rate 150 by this one, means you can see in this figure. So this C point here is 45, 25, and arc end this point in case of clockwise. So this end point is 70, 25. Then arc radius method. Arc radius method N120, that is sequence number G02, that is circular interpolation, X75, Y25, that is the end point of the arc to 75 and 25, R25, radius of the arc is 25 and feed rate is 150. So here this center C 45 and end of the arc 70, 25. And if you are using arc radius arc method, the radius is to be given as 25. Then counterclockwise circular interpolation means anti-clockwise circular interpolation. It is indicated by G03. It is the function of circular interpolation in counterclockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. It is the function which directs the tool along the circular path in counterclockwise directions. It is important to note that the counter must be at the start of the arc, that means A, when the function G03 is executed. In the figure you can see here, this starting point is A and end point is B here. Previously starting point was A here and B was here. So since the tool motion is in anti-clockwise direction, so obviously there are two methods. One is arc vector method and radius method, just we have seen previously. So in arc method, what happens? N130 that is sequence number, G03 is a circular interpolation counterclockwise, X45, Y45 that is the end point of arc, means at point B 4550 here 4550, and I45 and J25 center of the arc 45 and 25 is center of the arc C 45 25, and feed rate F 150 millimeter per minute. Similarly, by radius arc method, the arc can be generated by knowing the coordinates of end point and the radius of arc. Here it is to be explained. N130 that is sequence number, G03 circular interpolation, X45, Y50 is the end point of the arc 45 and 50, and R radius of the arc is 25 and feed rate is 150 millimeter per minute. In next lecture we will see what are the other preparatory codes and miscellaneous codes. Okay.